Hey there, what's up guys? Welcome to Blender Viz, and in today's video we will be learning about an add-on which is called as Ant Landscape. This add-on creates landscape and planets using various noise types, and Ant stands for Another Noise Tool. So the name of the add-on is Another Noise Tool Landscape add-on. So not wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, so first up you will start by opening your Blender, and first we will delete all this. Then go to Edit, Preferences, and search for Landscape. And just check this box which says Ant Landscape. And then press Shift A, Mesh, and you can see Landscape over here. So once you have done, you can see the default landscape which has been applied. And on the bottom, you can see this. Now you can see there are many options over here. So I'll explain all of this one by one. So this section is basically divided into three parts, which is the main settings, the noise settings, and the display settings. So first we'll start with the main settings. In this section, the object and mesh related settings like size and subdivisions are carried on. So you can see here, you can see the subdivision X. If you increase it, you can see the change. It just subdivides on the x-axis and then subdivision on the y-axis. Then you can increase the size, which is the mesh size, on x-axis and on y-axis. Okay, so this was the main settings. Now we come to the noise settings. Now you can choose any type of noise here. So you can see there are many noise types. You can choose any one. So this is the turbulence, distorted edge terrain. Like there are many noise types. So I'll choose turbulence, and then you can see noise basis over here. You can set it to anything. Verona F1, F3, like anything. So I'll just keep it to Blender, and then you can see the random seed over here, which just selects a random value and it assigns it. So it will generate any random terrain, and then you can see the offset X, which is the noise on the offset X, the offset Y. Then you can increase the size of the noise, increase or decrease. Okay, so now next you can see the noise size over here. You can increase the size and also the depth, the amplitude. Oops, this is way too much. So I'll just keep it to 0.4 or 0.5. The frequency, like if you increase to 4, you can see this. I'll keep it 3. And yeah, if you want a soft or hard surface, you can click it. And then effect type, like again you get various types of effects. You can choose any one of them. There's zigzag, cosine, stone, anything you want, waves. So I'll keep it to none. And then we come to the display settings. So basically these settings are for terrain, height, and edge fall off. So we start up by increasing our height, you can see here. Then offset, and you can set a maximum height and minimum height. And then we have the fall off. If you keep it none, you will get something like this. And if you keep it on y-axis, x-axis, but I'll keep it on both x and y-axis. And then you have the edge level, which is sea level offset. So you can increase or decrease it, depends. Fall off on x. And then you can see a strata. You can again see various options over here. You can select any one. Quantize mix, quantize it, then sharp add, sharp subtract, then smooth, and so I'll keep it to none. Okay, so this was the interface. Now you can also see a water plane over here. So you can, if you select this, a water surface will be added, and you can increase or decrease the level, like see, like this. So I'll keep it to 0.1, 0.01, or 0.001. Okay, this way. I'll keep it this way. And then you can add materials as well, if you have any material. And then you can, select this option which says triangulate. It gives, like, you can see this is how it is changing. And you can remove or apply shade smooth. Okay, so now we'll go and add some materials, like we'll create some materials. Let's say we select landscape plane, new material, and let's make it blue. And we add a sun for our lights, like this. And then you can also add a new material for a mountain, which is, anyways, this is something like this. So you can see this is a very easy way to create a terrain. And now the next thing I want to show is you can have many other options over here. So we'll open a new file, and we do the same thing again. We delete everything, shift A, mesh, and we add a landscape again. And now we can change the operator presets. So so like, you can choose a canyon, and then anything you want, like lakes. Then you have rivers, then mountain, dunes, canyons, like anything. Like, there are many options over here, so you can like choose accordingly, like what plane you are planning to make. Okay, anyways, so this is it for the video. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, then please do subscribe my channel and also press that like button. So thank you so much for watching.